Hello everyone, welcome back to this video. And the enrollment form for Google Cloud Arcade Facilitator program Cohort 2 is currently live. And in this video, we are going to see the step-by-step process how you can fill the Google form in order to successfully participate or enroll in the facilitator program. Okay, so first of all, you just need to come to this particular page. You will find the link of this page in the description box itself, and here on this page you will find our exclusive facilitator referral code, which will be required in order to enroll or participate in the arcade facilitator program under our guidance. Okay, so on this page first you will find the registration status, and here you need to just click on this link, and from this link you will just go to the official enrollment page of facilitator program. Okay, so on this page you just need to come to this, and you just need to click on this enroll in the program here button, and the Google form link will open. Okay, this is the particular Google form which you need to fill in order to enroll in this program. So let's see. First you need to record your email as the email to be included with your response, then simply click on next. Okay, on this page you need to agree to the terms and conditions. Okay, simply agree to the terms and condition by selecting this option and click on next. Okay, once you go to the next page, you need to fill the some of the basic information of yourself. First of all, you need to confirm your email address again. So let me just write my email address once again, and just make sure that your email is absolutely correct. Okay, if you have if you enter wrong email address, then your application may be rejected, or you might face some unnecessary problem. Okay, then you need to just enter your full name. Okay, let me just write my full name here. Okay, then next you need to choose your gender, then country. Let me just choose my country, India. Then what identifies you best, just to select the options according to you. And then you need to select your year of graduation. And this is the very important part. Do you have a referral code from a facilitator team? So yes, we are a facilitator team. This is our referral code. So which you can use in order to enroll in this program, and once you use this code you will be enrolled under our guidance. Okay, so just to select yes, then go to the next page. Well, on this page here you need to put this facilitator referral code, so just click on this copy button and come over here and paste this code. Okay, and make sure that your facilitator referral code is absolutely correct, and this should look exactly like this. Okay, then you need to just click on this yes, I already have an account with no or few badge completion. Okay, so if you don't have any account on this cloud skills boost.google portal, you can simply create one. Okay, let me just show you by going to the next page. Okay, well, so on this page you just need to follow this on-screen instruction to create your cloud skills boost account and make your profile public. So simply go to this link, open this link in a new tab, and you need to log in with your Google account, and you need to go to this profile settings by clicking on this profile icon from top right corner, and just to come to this page, and from there you will find your public profile URL. First you need to make your profile public, and once you see your profile is public, and once your profile is public you will find this link. Okay, just copy this link very carefully, come over here, and next you need to paste your public profile link on this area. Okay, on this field, then simply click on next. Okay, a few last steps. You need to click on this I acknowledge button, then again I acknowledge, then you are done. You simply need to submit this form, and once you submit, it will take up to 24 to 48 hours for you to receive the enrollment email. Okay, and as soon as you submit this form, instantly you will receive your response email of this particular Google form, and from there you should double check all the details. So that's all about it. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enroll under our guidance using this referral code itself, and we will be happy to help you. So see you. Thank you so much. And you will find all the links and our WhatsApp and Telegram group links in the description of this video. From there, you can directly connect with us. Okay. So thank you for watching. Goodbye.